Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'm going to try these beautiful wigs, but before I continue guys, I just want you to be aware of scammers on Facebook and also some websites. As you can see, this website Annayet.redline, they have posted my photos on their website, and also this Sewell. I've also received so many complaints about this Sewell. They are using my photos to scam you guys your money. So guys, just be aware of scammers online. Don't just buy these wigs when you see them online. I'll put all my details in the description box down below and in the comment section down below.
Was wrong.